Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to tell 5 interesting facts about cats. Number 1. The oldest known pet cat existed 9,500 years ago. Did you know that originally it was thought that Egyptians domesticated the cat? But in 2004, French archaeologists discovered a 9,500-year-old cat grave in Cyprus. This makes this the oldest known pet cat and it predates Egyptian art about cats by over 4,000 years. Number 2. Cats spend 70% of their lives sleeping. If you thought cats spent a lot of their lives sleeping, you'd be right. According to Veterinary Hub, cats actually spend 70% of their lives sleeping, which works out to around 13 to 16 hours a day. Have you ever noticed that cats walk like camels and giraffes? Their walking sequence is both right feet first, followed by the both left feet. So they move half of their body forward at once. Camels and giraffes are the only other animals to walk like. The oldest cat to have ever lived was 38 years and 3 days old when he passed away. Cream Puff, born on 3rd August 1967, lived until 6th August 2005, and his owner Jake Perry also owned the previous old cat record holder, Grandpa Rex Allen, who passed away at the grand age of 34. Number 5. A house cat can reach speeds of up to 30 miles per hour. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, like, share, comment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.